Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In today's video we will be doing a 4-week acrylic fill into repairs. Now my girl's been working out a lot at the gym and she had 2 accidents, so we'll be repairing these using nail forms, and we'll go straight in with our design. Now she said she wanted something simple, guys. This is not simple. The color is loud, and she wanted crocodile print, a little cheetah print, multicolored cheetah print. They turned out really nice, and I decided to record to share with you guys. Her last set, I did them on here. They were the acrylic set with the floral ombre fade, and those were really nice as well. So yeah, here I'm just debulking her nails as much as possible using my fine carbide bit, and I want to say I'm going between 20 to 25 RPM at a time. I will be popping in and out throughout the video to let you guys know what I'll be doing, so stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for sticking with me and engaging with me in my most recent uploads. I let you guys know on my last video that I'm waiting for things to kind of slow down here on my end, but I'll be recording a lot of videos for you guys. So on Tuesday I have one more pedicure video coming up, and then the following, well, Sunday, next Sunday, I will have a swatching video for you guys. Now, that, as a nail tech, that's the least favorite thing I like to do. I don't know if it's because I'm a neat freak or what, but yes, that's the least favorite. But recording this swatching video for you guys was actually enjoyable. I was excited to swatch the Born Pretty cat eye polishes that I picked up from Amazon. They are so nice, really nice and pigmented. Actually used one this past week too on a client for her gel manicure, and she loves them. I wish I had recorded them. We also put them on our pedicure, on our toes after her pedicure, and they look so good. So anyways, here I'm going ahead and using my tapered barrel bit to exfoliate her nail plate and take up any dead skin that may be on her nail plate, as well as push her cuticles back. I am using the Melody Susie SC300, I want to say, and I started using this when my Jade SC320 went, it was overheating. And guys, I found out that these drills could get clogged. So I think that's why I was having the overheating issue. And one of my subscribers commented that the little rubber base, the little rubber thingy that comes on the nail bits, you're actually supposed to push that down so it'll prevent dust from going inside the drill. So thank you for telling me that. I've been doing that with whatever bits I have that rubber base on. For the ones that I don't, I just try to clean the drill or blow it out. So I will be playing around with my handpiece that has stopped working over time. The ones that is just shortage in the cord itself, I know I won't be able to fix those, but yeah. Here I'm just going in with my 240 sanding band to shape her natural nails. I don't know why I didn't do this with the carbide bit previously, but yeah, here we are. If you guys heard that popping sound, that's my water bottle acting a fool right next to me. Now I'm going in with my medium cuticle ball bit to push that cuticle back and exfoliate that skin. I won't be nipping her, but once I am done, I will go ahead and do the same process again just to exfoliate, and then I'll go straight in with cuticle oil and scrub, and it will help with the exfoliation of her cuticles. So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this portion, and I'll be back once we get to the acrylic application. Now, guys, you know I love using a nail form, so I'm just going ahead to apply her nail form. And thank God, with her cutting her nails down, our hyponychium retracted back, so she doesn't have any discomfort. Thank God for that. Here I'm going in with my first bead of acrylic closest to her cuticle, and I'm using the middle of my brush to take the product down the entire nail. Now, after placing my acrylic, I like to pat my acrylic brush on the paper towel just to take out any excess monomer before going back in to pat the product down the entire nail. Now, I went in with a slip layer first, and I went in with my first bead of acrylic closest to her cuticle. Then I'm going ahead with the tip of my brush to push the product closest to her cuticle without touching the skin. Then I go straight in with using the middle of my brush to take the product down her free edge of her nail. Now I had to go in with a second bead because she had like a little ledge going downwards. So I wanted to make sure they're nice and straight. So once I go in with finish filing, I could file from underneath to make the nail as straight as possible. With natural nails, you know, they curve, they bend, they twist, they curl, all of the above. So we could only manipulate for just a short time. But once they start growing back out, they will go back to their natural shape or curvature. Um, Here I am going with my first bead of acrylic on the form, and I place it in the middle, on the middle of the nail, and then take it down the entire nail. Now, when I'm using forms, I like to round the natural nails out. That way I don't have any open edges or sidewalls. For this client, I didn't do it. I don't know why, but if you are a beginner using nail forms, make sure the free edge of your client nails are nice and rounded. That way you don't have any open gaps and risk the chance of your acrylic breaking off at the free edge where the form and the natural nails meet. So yeah, and just to fix this arrow that I created for myself, I just use a small bead of acrylic at the side wall of the nail and just cap that natural nail in. Um, Now, guys, for this video, I don't know why I thought I pressed record on the camera, but you guys didn't get to see the the finished filing portion, but I hope you guys still enjoy the video. And yeah, and if you are enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment in the comment section with whatever questions you may have. I'm open to them. I've been getting a little bit more love on my videos. One of my subscriber, Christina, commented that she's been watching my videos while learning how to do her daughter's nails. While doing her daughter's nails. So I am glad you're enjoying my videos, love. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to reach out to me. Don't be shy. I am open to it all. So yeah, and I will have a video with about cleaning my brushes, and I want to say we're referring to my acrylic brushes. So will have a video for that coming up soon. But usually once I'm done with my monomer, I will just empty it out, clean it out, and then I use a little bit of acetone and clean the brush. Yes, I know not everyone likes to do this, but after cleaning my brush with acetone, I will saturate it with monomer again, dry it out just a little bit, and put it away. That's all I've been doing. I've been using acetone to make sure there's no excess acrylic in the brush. And then I go ahead and condition the brush again using monomer, and that has held up my brushes pretty well. This is a size, I want to say 14 or 16. I will double check and I will list it in the description bar for you guys. And yeah, I love using this brush. You could always start off at a size 8, size 12, whatever size you feel comfortable with, go ahead and do so. I find using a bigger size just works best for me. So yeah. Um, so yeah, well, she said she wanted something simple, but this is not simple. This is a D&D color, and of course, I forgot to write the color down. And usually I have my polish in my hand, but because I was working with multiple colors this day, I think I had just put the polish down on a palette, and wrong move. Because my room was hot, my polish was a little bit runny, So I had to go in after application and so on with a needle bit to clean up her ring finger. So yeah, sometimes whenever you have any spillage or say the gel polish run in the cuticle, you could always use one of your small needle bit and go around the cuticle ever so gently without touching the natural nails and clean up that spillage that was created when you were applying the gel polish. Now for this design, she just wanted a little bit of cheater, multicolored. Ooh, child, guys. I'm not even gonna take this out. It is raining here and lightning and thunder. The sky out there is lighting up, and I don't like lightning and thunder. So let me hurry up with this voiceover. When I say my baby is over here laughing at me and I jump, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it in this video because this is raw, uncut, and unedited. Okay, I am ready to get out of this living room. But yeah, let's get back to the video. So she just wanted a multicolor cheetah print with some crocodile print on her ring finger, something cute and simple. Before she comes back in for her birthday set. So yeah, her birthday is in September. My birthday is in September as well. I am a September girl. My birthday is September 24th. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but we shall see. I'm pretty simple. My birthday is on a Wednesday, so I may take off from work. I may not. We shall see. I'll be 36. That's crazy to say out loud. So, guys, I had to take a break because it just kept on continuing the lightning and thunder. So, after her design, I'll be going in with my Young Nail stain resistant top coat. And you guys know I like to go in with my Young Nail stain resistant top coat twice, and then I'll do a full cure, and then go in and cure their thumbnail separately. So this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any requests of what kind of video you would like to see from me in the next one, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. To my subscribers, thank you guys so much for sticking with me and joining my community, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.